So this is my website. Any website, how do we can download the website backups? Here, based on hosting, the download will be accept. Based on hosting, the download will be accept. The download procedure always based on hosting option will be there. First, shared hosting. Login cPanel. Go to step 1 procedure. Go to file manager. Select public underscore HTML zip and download. So why I'm selecting for zip nothing but what is called zip nothing but compress. Which one is a compress? Why I'm using for compress? I'm not downloading for one by one file. So all files into convert into the zip format. What is the folder name? Public underscore HTML. Why? Your total website will be captured by public underscore HTML. Total file is captured by public underscore HTML. So this is a main file. The file will be missing, means your website will be not open. It's a totally error. The website will be no data. So that is called anything using for public underscore HTML, compress and download. Without compress, we can't download the one by one files. And step 2 is a depend on your registered email ID. Depend on the registered email ID. Registered email ID but not in your cPanel. That is called your complete hosting login email ID. Where go to same cPanel. Step 2. The option call is backup wizard. First I'm showing for theory, after I'm showing for real time scenario. So which one? Backup wizard. After that, select for backup option. Select email and download. What is the difference? First one download by your laptop or PC. Second download is a particular email address. Particular email address. The email address will be which is your registered email address by using cPanel. They will be login. This is for shared hosting. Second one, everything common for reseller. Small difference. Reseller hosting. All domains are access WHM. First login WHM. After list of accounts, select domain, cPanel, download. Same procedure. Which one? Same procedure. Only one thing is a pending. Which one? Only for shared hosting we're not using for no WHM in shared. This will be login for using WHM to access the n number of cPanels. In this down website cPanel and download the data. So procedure will be same, but shared and reseller will be using for WHM and shared hosting using for direct in cPanel. This is a important notice. So clear? These are 2 steps will follow the particular download the files for a particular site. I'll show in this. First to log in your WHM. Option call is list of your accounts. So what is my website? southrealnews.com. In this, I'll go first to the website. What the website will be? South Illinois. Now click for cPanel. Step 1, where file manager public underscore HTML. Where is the file manager public underscore HTML? Right click. What's showing for? Compress. What the website name? I'm looking for a shortcut. Now click for compress. Why? Because any website files will be storage for your cPanel file manager public underscore HTML. Any website files will be stored where? File manager public underscore HTML. Now you can compress. After compress done, you can start by download. This is step 1. Step 2, same option where you can go for backup wizard, taking for backup, the taking for full backup, where you go for exactly email address. Suppose do not email it for notification complete, but definitely we sending for where? Email address. No another option. So do not send email notification of backup completion. It's a notification. What is the compulsory sending for where? Your email address. First one download by your PC or laptop. Second will download for where? Your email address. It's a total full backup about your website. So clear? First one file manager. Second one is the backup wizards. So still process is going on. So always based on your files, the zip will be found by your particular site. Now it is done. After reload, what the file name in this SRN, click for download. It's clear? Why? Because if you not compress, you download the files. If you select one by one, is not possible. See this. Only one by one is not possible. That is called, you can totally convert as a zip folder. Totally convert as a zip folder. So the download is going on this website. Is it clear? This is called website will be upload under downloading purpose.